Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of the Honiture Y10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner with a 45-minute runtime, a 38 kPa suction, and a self-standing mode. Because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So it is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors and tile and carpet and furniture. It has a super long runtime that's enough to vacuum my entire house all in one go, and comes with several swappable heads for different services. But we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. The first is we've got different types of floors and wanted something that vacuumed effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we've got kids who are constantly making messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food, crumbs, and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we needed something powerful enough to pick up heavy debris. And three, because we have a dog who is so awesome, but sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, so hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, and tile. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush. Simply pressing this button retracts back and protracts forward the brush head, which is good for removing dust from dusty surfaces in and around things on tables. Then you have this crevice nozzle for getting into corners to pick up dust and find debris at nooks and hard to reach areas. Then you have this extendable wand. Now by pressing this button here, it extends the wand into an upright vacuum. I love using this to get under the couch and not having to bend over as much when vacuuming. Finally, you have the Cyclone. First, you have this little button here that if you press, releases the dustbin to empty out the dustbin. But then if you twist it here, within the dustbin, it'll allow you to remove the filter for cleaning. So simply remove the dustbin and take out the filter. Then you'll take out these parts, run it under water and rinse it off, let it air dry for 24 hours, and then simply insert it back in, wedge it into place, and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then pressing the trigger, it activates the Cyclone and illuminates the back LCD screen to show you how much more power you have left and what mode of power you're using. And if you press this button here, it'll switch it from eco mode to turbo mode. A couple of fun features is that on eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. And what I'll do is occasionally switch to turbo mode to pick up heavier debris and crumbs and stuff lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can, and then you'll just press this button here. It'll swing open the door, and then just give it a couple of pats, and if necessary, a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris. Then remove the filter to empty it out even more, and then lock up the lid and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this port found here, and if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it'll illuminate the top, indicating how much charging it has to reach 100%. But you can also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the Cyclone for further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes up about 4 hours to charge up the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great, especially for turbo mode and picking up lodged crumbs and debris in carpet. So that's my product overview of this ergonomic, efficient, and mean little vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.